Solving equation transformable to quadratic equation. There are equations that may appear not quadratic in form, but when analyzed and simplified, they can be transformed into quadratic equation. Let's have example number 1. Suppose we have quantity x minus 4 squared plus 3 times quantity x minus 4 plus 2 is equal to 0. First, let x minus 4 is equal to d. Thus, d squared plus 3d plus 2 is equal to 0. Solving this quadratic equation by factoring, we have quantity d plus 2 times quantity d plus 1 is equal to 0. Equating both factors to 0, we have d plus 2 is equal to 0 or d plus 1 is equal to 0. Solving for d is equal to negative 2 and d is equal to negative 1. And since d is equal to x minus 4, we have x minus 4 is equal to negative 2 and x minus 4 is equal to negative 1. Solving for x, we have x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 3. Example number 2. Suppose we have 3 over x minus 8 over x minus 1 is equal to 1. First, multiply the whole equation by the LCD. So we have x times quantity x minus 1 times quantity 3 over x minus 8 over x minus 1 is equal to 1 times x times quantity x minus 1. Simplifying the whole equation, we have 3x minus 3 minus 8x is equal to x squared minus x. Combining the like terms, we have x squared plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Apply the factoring method. We have quantity x plus 3 times quantity x plus 1 is equal to 0. Equate both factors to 0. So we have x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. Solving for x, we have x is equal to negative 3 or x is equal to negative 1. Let's have example number 3. Suppose we have 3x to the 4th plus 4x squared minus 7 is equal to 0. First, let x squared is equal to b. Thus, 3b squared plus 4b minus 7 is equal to 0. Solving the quadratic equation, we have quantity 3b plus 7 times quantity b minus 1 is equal to 0. Equate both factors to 0. So we have 3b plus 7 is equal to 0 and b minus 1 is equal to 0. Solving for b, we have b is equal to negative 7 over 3 or b is equal to 1. Since b is equal to x squared, we have x squared is equal to negative 7 over 3 or x squared is equal to 1. Applying the square root property, we have x is equal to positive negative square root of negative 21 over 3 or x is equal to positive negative 1. Thank you.